It was a joyous homecoming after a terrifying ordeal. In February, Gulrukhsor reunited with her family in Tajikistan and returned home to the town of Panja Kent. For the previous 3 months, she had been held hostage by militants in Yemen, not knowing if she would ever see her loved ones again. In 2009, Gulrukhsor took a job as a nurse at a military hospital in Marib, Yemen, joining some 200 other Tajik doctors and nurses throughout the country. She hoped to save enough money to buy a house back home. She describes the day last October when all her plans came to a dead halt.
There was a car outside the mosque. 6 men grabbed me and pulled me into the car. They beat me. The second time they hit me with a weapon, I lost consciousness.
Gulrukhsor's captors changed her location repeatedly. They beat her and kept her chained in a basement as her hopes of escape began to fade.
There was a hole in the wall. I could see the street. I shouted for someone to help me. I thought I could write a phone number on a piece of paper and throw it out onto the street. I asked them to bring me some pills for a headache. They brought some, but I asked for stronger pills. I was very nervous. They brought me more pills, and I swallowed the whole package. I told them that I was dying. They said I could die there.
Gulrukhsor didn't know who had imprisoned her. Her only clue was a black flag on the wall, a symbol adopted by Islamist extremists.
When I saw it, I was terrified. I thought, I'm in the hands of bad people. I can't escape.
Abductions of foreigners in Yemen have become increasingly common as the country has teetered into worsening instability. Middle East political analyst Hassan Hashemian says that al-Qaeda factions in Yemen are known for using ransom as a source of income.
The group that abducted her appears to be very professional and experienced. That's why all indications point toward al-Qaeda, which has a long record of kidnappings in Yemen.
During her 100 days in captivity, Gulrukhsor's co-workers and hundreds of Yemenis rallied to demand her release. A Tajik diplomat traveled to Sana'a to negotiate on her behalf. Finally, officials struck a deal with the militants. Gulrukhsor would be freed in exchange for an undisclosed amount of money and the release from prison of one militant's brother.
They woke me up early in the morning and brought me to the taxi station. They asked a taxi driver to take me to the military hospital. It was incredible. I couldn't believe it.
Back home in Panja Kent, Gulrukhsor's children were overjoyed to have their mother safe at home. And the town's mayor came to her aid, offering to help the family out with their financial troubles.
I promised to give her a job and a plot of land to build her own house.
Gulrukhsor's long nightmare is over. She says she will never again risk traveling to Yemen. But for her colleagues who still work there, instability and violence remain an ever-present threat.